Hello, Hippo.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you today?
Good. How
That's
about
great to
you?
know. I am fine too. I'm doing good too. Thanks for asking me. What did
Yes.
you do? What did you do today?
I go to school.
Oh, you go to school. And what subject did you study today?
Is
I study.
I study math, English, uh, art.
Oh, and art. And what is your favorite subject, Hippo?
Is
My
my
favorite
favorite
subject.
subject is English.
Oh, so you like English. Okay, that's great to know. How about your dinner? What did you eat for dinner today?
Uh,
I eat
I eat rice, fish,
rice,
vegetable.
fish. Wow, that's great to know that you are eating vegetables. Ah, very good, Hippo. Okay,
Yeah.
kids should eat vegetables so that you will grow strong and healthy.
Okay.
Okay, so how's the weather today?
Is no no is mm, no sunny and no cold.
Oh, it's gloomy.
Yes.
Is it? Oh, gloomy. Wow, what do you say this one? Gloomy, gloomy. In Vietnamese, gloomy. It's gloomy.
ảm đạm,
Yes.
Oh, is it cold?
Mm, yes.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so are you ready for our class today?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let's go to our class for today. Okay, if you have your book, please open it to page 166.
Okay.
Okay, so before that, we have big question number 9. Can you please read this one, Hippo?
Yes.
Okay, can you read big question number 9?
Yes. Big question 9. What's a living thing?
Okay, what are living things? So before we go into answer this, we are going to watch a video first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're going to watch a video first. Okay, Oxford discover one big question 9. Okay, listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
Hello there. Today's big question is, what are living things? Look at this picture. Is it an animal or a toy? It's a toy. Is a toy a living thing or a non-living thing? It's a non-living thing. Now look at this picture. What is it? It's a cat. It's a living thing. These animals are all living things. They can grow and change, and they can move by themselves. These plants are living things too. These plants can't move by themselves, but they can make their food from sunlight, water, and air. Living things grow and change and need air and water. Non-living things are different from living things. A non-living thing doesn't need food, air, or water. Look at these toys. They are non-living things. This car can't move by itself. It can only move if we move it. We see many things in our world every day. All of these things are living or non-living. How about you? Are you a living or a non-living thing? You're a living thing. We need to take care of living things, including ourselves. We should eat healthy food, and we shouldn't eat junk food. We should play outside too. All living and non-living things in our world are important. It is good to take care of all of them. Look around you. What do you see? Can you see living things? Can you see non-living things?
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, so based on the video that we watch, what are living things?
Yes.
What are living things?
I.
Okay, so in the video, the living things are the cat. What else? The animals, right?
Is us.
Okay, yes, very good. As you are hippo, you are also a living. You are also a living thing. So when we say living things,
Us.
living things can?
Can. Animal.
Oh, yes, animals, living things. Living things can move.
Can move.
Okay, what else can move?
And toy.
Oh, toy is not a living thing. Okay, living things can move. What else?
Flower.
Oh, yes, flower is a living thing. Very good. Plants are living things.
Eat.
Oh, yes, very good. Eat.
Go.
Okay, grow. Okay, can go and grow. And?
Play.
Okay, so living things can eat, go, grow, and okay, they can also play. Okay, very good. Okay, so living things. Okay, living things move and grow.
Sinh vật di chuyển và phát triển.
Okay, so living things need food. Okay, they need food. What else do they need? What do we need? Food.
Food. Drink.
Okay, what is that? Drink or
Water.
Okay, we need water.
Zoo.
Okay, again.
Zoo.
Okay, what is it? Again, can you say it again, please?
Zoo.
Zoo. Okay. Okay, can you spell it out for me?
Or food.
Food. Oh, okay. Or food, water, and what do you breathe? And
Uh,
and and oxy.
and oxy.
Oxy. We need oxy. What's that? Oxy.
Yes.
Oh. Air. Yes, very good. We need air or oxygen to breathe. So living things need food, water, and oxygen. So hippo is also a living things. Okay?
Okay.
You are a living things. Okay, hippo, can you give me example of living things? Can you give 3 example of living things? Can you give example? Give example of living things.
Bạn có thể cho ví dụ về sinh vật sống không?
Yes. Is a horse.
Okay, horse. Very good. What else?
Mouse.
Mouse.
Cat.
Okay. Okay,
Dog.
cat. Okay, cat.
Many.
Okay, and many more. Okay, very good. Okay, so these are the living things. Let's go to non-living things. Non-living. What is non-living?
Is toy.
Okay, very good. Toy is example of non-living things. So non-living things don't eat. They don't eat.
Don't eat food, water, oxy.
Okay, so they don't need this one. So the toy don't need food. The toy don't need water and oxygen. So that is non-living things. Okay, let's go here. Can you please read number 1?
Is what are children watching?
Okay, look at the picture here. What are the children watching?
Is watching a toy cat.
Okay, so they are watching a toy cat. This one. Very good. Next, number 2.
Is an animal or a toy?
Okay.
How do you know?
Okay, is this
Is a toy?
okay, a toy? How did you know that this is a toy, hippo? Because
Is a robot
okay, because it's robot and
and
it cannot.
cannot cannot move.
Okay, cannot move. Okay, number 1, letter C.
To see watching ground.
What things grow? Okay, can you give some example? Things that grow. Grow.
Girl is um
Mm. What things grow?
Những thứ gì phát triển?
is robot.
Okay, robot. Yeah, robot can't grow. What else?
Um
What else?
is toy.
Okay, toys. They cannot grow. Very good. Now let's go number 2. Hippo, can you please read this one?
Do you grow?
Do you grow?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So you are not the same. You are not the same now when you are not the same now compare when you are still
Bây giờ bạn không còn như vậy nữa. Hãy so sánh khi bạn vẫn còn là một đứa trẻ.
right. When you're still a baby, you cannot talk. Yes?
Yes.
You cannot walk. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, but now you can.
It is no.
What can you do now, Hippo?
Is can.
Okay, can you talk? You can talk. You can walk, right?
Walk.
Okay, what else can you do? Okay, very good. So you grow. So you are growing. Now listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the word. Okay, can you repeat after me? Living.
Living.
Non-living.
Non-living.
Breathe.
Breathe.
Move.
Move.
Change.
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 Tense.
Very good. Air.
L.
Air.
L.
People.
People.
Plant.
Land.
Okay, can you please read alone?
Living. Non-living. Butter.
Breathe.
Breathe. Move. Tense. R.
Air.
L. People. Plant.
Okay, very good. So we have here living. When we say living, what is this in Vietnamese, Hippo? Living. The frog is living.
Is animal.
Oh, it's animal. I am living. How do you say this in Vietnamese? Living is?
Cuộc sống. Cuộc sống.
Okay.
Okay.
And the next one is non-living.
Không sống. Không sống.
Okay. Breathe. Okay. Breathe. How do you say this in Vietnamese? Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe.
Okay. Breathe.
Okay, how do you say this in Vietnamese?
Yes.
Breathe.
Thở,
Thở.
thở, thở.
Okay, next is move. You understand this,
Move.
right? You understand this?
Yes.
Okay, change. How about when we say change? Do you understand this?
Child.
Okay, look at the tomato. The tomato change.
Fruit.
Fruit. Yeah, the tomato is green, and then after it became
Became money.
of what color?
Money.
For example, green,
Is orange.
orange. Okay, and
Red.
orange. Okay, it's change. Okay, next.
Yes.
Air. Okay, do you understand air?
Is
It's the oxygen that we breathe.
breathe.
Okay. Okay. And people, we are
We
we
are
are people. We
yeah,
are
people.
we are people. Okay, let's go letter B. Can you please read?
Read, look, and circle the correct picture.
Okay, number 1, it moves. Which picture moves?
Moves.
Where is it? Is it picture? Okay,
Moves
turtle.
is house.
Okay,
Turtle.
very. Next, number 2.
Is girl. Is flower.
Okay, very good. Number 3.
Beetle is a monkey.
Okay, the monkey breathe. Okay, check. Okay, letter C.
Do you think that things are living? Read and write. L, living, or N, non-living.
Okay, so number 1 is
5,
police.
police officer is living.
Okay, number 2.
L, bicycle
Bicycle, is it living or non-living?
is non-living.
Okay, so it L or N?
L,
Non-living,
no,
it's?
N.
Okay, N.
Number 2,
3.
Jesus. Jesus is non-living. N.
Okay, N. Number 4.
T is non-living. N.
3.
No, is living.
Okay,
L.
tree is live. Yes, tree is living because it grows.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Drum is non-living. N.
Okay, N. Good job. Check, 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 check. Okay, you've got 5 and 5. Okay, that's great, Hippo. Okay, let's find if I can find some activity. Okay, let's answer this one. Non-living and living things. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Okay, can you please read?
Fish are living thing. Right? Yes or no?
Okay, so you're going to write yes or no if it's living, no if it's not, non-living, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so
Is
we have example
yes.
number 1. Yes.
Living.
Living.
Number 2 is non-living.
Okay, it's
No.
no. Okay.
Number 3 is yes. Number 4, yes. Number 5, no. Number 6, yes. Number 7, no. And number
8.
8, no.
Okay, next.
Write the word under the picture. Tick. Number 1 is tick. Number 4 is kitten. Number 3 is piglet.
This one?
Number 2 is piglet. Number 3 is puppy.
Okay. Okay, so all living things are born, grow, reproduce, die, and draw the lines. Okay. Okay. Let's, we don't need to answer that one, this one. We only answer this two. Okay, number 1. Yes, correct. Number 2, no, check. Yes, check. Yes, check. No, correct. Yes, check. No, correct. Check. And check. Piglet is correct also. Puppy is correct. Kitten is correct. Very good, Happy. Very good, Hippo. You did great. You've got all the correct answer. Good job. Very good. Yay. Good job. Oh, we don't have enough time already. Oh, it's almost time. Okay. Can you please read this question first?
Look around there. What marvel?
What moves? What moves?
What moves? What
Changes.
changes?
Okay, look around you. Look around you, Hippo. Look around you now. Look around you. Look around you. What moves? What moves? What changes?
Hãy nhìn xung quanh bạn. Cái gì chuyển động? Cái gì thay đổi?
Is a computer.
Does your computer move?
Marvel.
Your computer moves?
Yes.
Does your computer moves? Does it move? I think no. Computer cannot move if you don't move it.
I know. Is a fan.
Oh, your fan. Yeah, your fan moves because it has electricity.
Yes.
Okay, how about living things that move around you right now?
Is
Okay, example, in my house right now, I have my dogs. They are living, they are moving. How about you there?
is a clock.
Okay, your dog, your mom too, right? Your
Yes.
mom,
And
okay, your
chair.
dad,
Chair.
and okay,
Chair.
very good. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Correct. Okay, good job, Hippo. Good job. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 stars today because you did great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, thank you so much, Hippo.
Yes.
Good night. See you
Yes.
again later.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. Bye-bye.